at Loftware now, we talk about modernizing product identification through the supply chain from new product development to consumer. And that's what that's what I'm so excited about, is our ability to reach that end consumer. What are some of the reasons that you're excited about this acquisition?
From our standpoint, some of the things that we were looking at in terms of what our roadmap looked like in the future, again, we work with some of the best brands in the world, some of the biggest brands, and they are global. So we have to go and build a team to go doing that. And so as we're looking at how do we best serve our customers, being able to work with Loftware to deliver that service really allows us to accelerate what we can do for them. Not just accelerate the speed of the team and the breadth and the global reach, but also getting closer to that supply chain, getting further down in that process, not just on marketing and the consumer, but really down into the supply chain at the manufacturing line as barcodes being printed and serialized right there on the line, and being part of that process. So really, from our standpoint, it helps accelerate that vision of where we wanted to end up several years down the road. It makes it a reality today, both for us and for our customers.